Hi guys, this is the rest of the states for map test number 2. So if you'll add this to your blank study guide you would have printed out. These are our states down here from map test number 1 we're going to add to our study guide. So I'm just going to trace around the states that we're going to do today. Your test will be this Friday, the 29th. And it will be the same way that last week's test was, where I'll upload a copy of the map. I will put a time limit on it to reduce the cheating ability. Alright, so I'm just going to kind of draw around the separate states, because once we start going further north, our states get a little smaller, a little harder to see. This is a separate state. Alright, so when we get to the smaller states, I will kind of show you which state and how they're separated. So, our first state is Virginia. Okay. The capital of Virginia is Richmond. Richmond, and the abbreviation is VA. Over here to the west of Virginia, we have West Virginia, abbreviation WV. Capital is Charleston. Next, we have Pennsylvania. Abbreviation is PA. The capital is Harrisburg. Okay, so I'm going to change colors for a second because we're getting into our smaller states. So this state right here in the green is one state. And that is New Jersey. New Jersey. Abbreviation NJ. Capital Trenton. Alright, this little bitty state right here, it's very small, it's the pink one. Okay, that's a separate state. And that is Delaware. The abbreviation is DE, and the capital is Dover. Let's get a different color. Alright, so this state here is a little larger, but still small compared to other states in the United States. This is Maryland, and it kind of has some different parts to it. There's some water that comes up there in the middle. But that red state is Maryland. MD is the abbreviation. And the capital of Maryland is Annapolis. So those are all of the new ones that you will know for this test. So your map test number 2 is the 29th, this Friday. You will need to know the old states that we just did a test on, and then the new states. If you miss more than one, then you will retake Map Test 2 next week. If you get them all correct or only miss one, you'll move on to Map Test number 3. Right now, everyone has moved on to Map Test number 2. Everyone missed one or less of Map Test number 1. Remember, the capitals earn you 1 point extra credit added to your lowest grade. If you have any questions, please send me a message on Canvas.